next major job that will need to be done after each round is to send out a mass mailing of all the certificates to the teams. This involves Certer to create a table that you may then use with a mass mailing kind of application. We don't currently have the mass mailing capabilities within Certer, but there's lots of different applications out there that will allow you to send these using an email mass email app. We'll show you one example of that later on. To do this, we would go to the Add Email Links, and this allows you to go through the different groups. Here I'll sort them by number. And what you'll need to do then is to copy and paste by hand. I don't have this automated yet. It's a little complicated. You have to get permissions from the Dropbox in order to do this, and I don't currently have that worked out, but I'm working on it. Right now you'll have to drop the link for each of the documents here into this table. Here's what that looks like. I have this open, and I can open a folder, and this folder will be the folder here for all the certificates. This is the ones we just produced. So we have here the certificates in order and the invitations in order, and we need to rearrange things on our screen a little bit. Here I'm going to make these a little bit skinnier, and then make this one here a little lower so I can see both of them at once on my screen. And quite simply, you just this is the certificate URL. And so for group number 2, I'll go up here to Cert2 and right click and choose Copy Dropbox Link, and just come down here and paste it. And that is the Dropbox link for Cert2. You can see the Cert2 right there, Shiv Nadar and all that. So then you simply go down your list, right click, copy Dropbox link, paste. And this really doesn't take very long, even doing it manually. And what you'll end up with is for every delegation, you'll end up with a couple of links. Let's go on down to these invitations. Here's invitation number 2. Right click, copy link, paste that over here. And now you have the invitation here and the certificate here. And you can then, from this, we can create a table of all of the files that are to be sent. The idea here is that we are not sending emails with attachments, but these emails will have links to the Dropbox. The Dropbox is on a server outside of our servers, and it's on a public server, and this gives you a link that anyone can go to that location and download the file. And so you basically are not sending any big files as you do the mailing. So once we're done with this table, this will become the data table for a kind of a mail merge sort of application, technically an email merge, and that's how we'll get these out. So continue this until you're done, and let me do that now. I'll pause while I do that, finish up all of the links. Okay, we're finishing up the end of our copy and paste. One thing to note is that you do need to check these when you're done with them. Sometimes it's a little slower than you think, and you may, if you don't look back in 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, if you don't look back, you may find that you have a duplicate in there, and that's because the copy process is not instantaneous. It sometimes takes it a second or something to copy those and get them on the clipboard for you. Finally, finishing up the last one. And there it is. Okay, so now we have our table under the Add Email Links. We've added our links to all of the files. We can save that, which makes it a part of the XML. So anytime that you do this, you can save your results. Now, what you'll need to do normally is either move this table Actually, I made one here special for it, an email table, and it contains all of the things, including the round data, the country, the school, the first and last names of the scholars, the email address, and everything here is included in the table, including the 2 links. And then you can copy this entire table and paste it either in something like an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheet, and then that Google Sheet or the Excel sheet can then be used to send a mass email to all the teams. Okay, so that's how you get ready to send an email, a mass email. Let's stop here.